Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Hub, where we turn small ideas into wonderful big things. Today, we'll take a seemingly ordinary bicycle chain link and transform it into an incredibly useful and versatile tool capable of tasks you'd never expect. First, I'm starting with a standard bicycle chain. Next, I'm taking a wooden dowel, which will serve as a handle for our tool. I'm securing it firmly in a vise, making sure it's stable for accurate cutting. Then, I'm using a ruler and a marker to carefully measure and mark the precise length I need. This precision is important for a comfortable grip and overall functionality. Now, I'm using a saw to cut the wooden dowel. I'm taking my time, making sure the saw is straight and smooth. This cut will determine the main body of our handle. So a clean cut is essential for a professional finish. Now, I'm taking the cut wooden piece and the chain link. I'll test fit the chain link onto the end of the wooden handle. I'll mark 2 points on the end of the wooden handle, aligning them with the holes in our chain link. Then, I'll use a small drill bit on my electric drill to carefully bore these 2 holes. These will be crucial for securing the chain link firmly to the handle. After drilling, I give it a quick tap to remove any loose sawdust. For the heating element, I'm taking a simple safety pin, untwisting it, and then cutting a section. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. This wire will be shaped to create a precise point for melting, much like a tiny soldering iron. I'll carefully insert the bent safety pin into the pre-drilled holes in the wooden handle, positioning it right into the chain link. To secure the safety pin in the chain link, I'm using a mix of baking soda and super glue. I'll apply a layer of baking soda, then a few drops of super glue, letting it cure briefly. This process creates a very strong, heat-resistant bond, essential for the tool's durability and safety. I'll repeat this several times to build up a solid connection. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm inserting a small screw through the hole. This screw will act as a versatile anchor for other tool heads. I'm installed more the hook for a small brass fitting with a tiny screw. This brass fitting is designed to accept another type of attachment. I'm carefully screwing it into place, making sure it's tight and secure. Each interchangeable piece expands the functionality of our tool exponentially. I'm taking a red electrical wire, stripping a small section of the insulation at one end and attaching it to one of the bent safety pin hooks. This will be our first electrical contact. For safety, I'm wrapping the entire connection point with red electrical tape. This is super important for insulating the exposed wires and preventing any accidental short circuits or shocks during operation. To make connections easy, I'm stripping the free end of the red wire and attaching a red alligator clip. This will be the positive terminal for our power source. Next, I'm preparing a white insulated wire in a similar way. I'll strip both ends to expose the copper. On one end, I'm attaching a blue crocodile clip. On the other end, I'll attach another blue crocodile clip. Having two clips on this wire will give us more flexibility in how we connect to various components, allowing for different circuit configurations for our experiments. This clip will be our negative terminal. Next, I'm preparing our soldering tip. I take an old AA battery and carefully cut away its outer casing using pliers. The goal here is to extract the carbon rod from the center. After completely removing the shell, I will use a box cutter to cleanly remove the plastic layer on the battery. Then, I use pliers to gently pull out the carbon rod. To ensure maximum efficiency and conductivity for our tip, I'll clean the exposed top of the carbon rod thoroughly with paper. To make our carbon rod tip precise and effective, I'm securing it into a drill chuck. Then, using sandpaper pressed against the spinning tip, I'm refining it. This sharp point will help concentrate the heat, making our soldering more precise. Once sharpened, I clean the tip of the paper while it's still spinning to remove any residue. Now, I insert the sharpened carbon rod into the brass connector. I use a screwdriver to tighten the connector, ensuring the carbon rod is held firmly in place and makes good electrical contact. And just like that, our soldering iron tool is ready. To power our creation, I'm using a 12-volt battery. The red crocodile clip from our wooden handle tool goes to the positive terminal of the battery. One of the blue crocodile clips, connected to our white wire, goes to the negative terminal. I've placed 2 razor blades on a wooden block for our test. Now, watch closely as I bring the metal tip of our tool into contact with the razor blade. See that instant glow in the smoke? It's heating up so rapidly it's actually melting through the metal. This simple DIY device, made from repurposed items, has become a powerful mini soldering and cutting tool, capable of incredibly precise work. To further demonstrate the capabilities, I will use 2 multi-purpose blades for testing. When I touch it to the solder, it melts quickly and cleanly, showing the potential for electronics work and other precise heat applications. This is truly a versatile addition to any DIY toolkit. And there you have it. From a simple bicycle chain link and a few household items, we've created a surprisingly powerful and effective tool for heating and even cutting metal. It's amazing what you can achieve with a little creativity and some basic principles of electricity. If you were as impressed as I am with this project, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.